Hey Chanel, so we're gonna walk through doing a plank, and then we will hold a plank for a minute. That's what we're gonna do. So in order to do a plank, you wanna keep everything in line. So I'm gonna start a tabletop, open up my hands, shoulder width apart, right underneath the shoulders, and then I'm going to step out one leg, press my hips up, and out another. And obviously I'm wide, right? But as you can see, I'll walk for it a little bit. As you can see, from shoulders to hips to ankles, I'm nice in one line. You can also come down to forearms, and you still have to maintain one line. You pull your belly button into your spine, and you breathe deep, okay? So let me make sure I can see what the time is. That was 1 minute, let's go. We're gonna hold one together for this minute, okay? Drive the hips up, relax the ankles back, press the chest forward. Everything will shake. When in doubt, push through the palms and drive your body up higher. As soon as you get to the issue where you want to overextend the elbows, though, take a slight bend and push through the shoulders. Fire the quadriceps up and keep the buttocks squeezed. We're almost there. Nice job.